Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, maintaining your hips facing forward, gently twisting to the right, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders. Adding a leg lift, inhale at center, exhale gently twist to the right as you lift through your right leg. Inhale center and lower your leg. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while working through your obliques. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, twist to the left. Continue flowing with this movement, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your own range of motion. Adding a leg lift, inhale at center, exhale twist to the left as you lift through your left leg. Continue with this movement, keeping your spine long and your core engaged with your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.